Choose the correct sentence. A. She don't likes coffee. B. She doesn't like coffee. C. She doesn't likes coffee. Synonym of brave is A. Coward. B. Fearful. C. Courageous. He is known dash his honesty. A. By. B. For C. With. Antonym of generous is A. Kind. B. Selfish. C. Friendly. Kick the bucket means A. Play football. B. Die. C. Jump in water. Choose the correct preposition. She is fond dash music. A. Of. B. On. C. In. The plural of crisis is A. Crisis. B. Crises. C. Crisis. Antonym of victory is A. Success. B. Defeat. C. Winner. I dash my lunch before the meeting. A. Have eaten. B. Had eaten. C. Eat. Synonym of laugh is A. Cry. B. Smile. C. Giggle. Choose the correct article. He bought dash umbrella. A. B. An. C. The. Break a leg means A. Get hurt. B. Good luck. C. Fall down. He dashed to school every day. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Going. Antonym of early is A. Late. B. First. C. Soon. I am tired dash waiting. A. From. B. Of. C. By. Under the weather means A. Feeling ill. B. Feeling cold. C. Feeling great. She said she dash come tomorrow. A will. B would. C shall. Synonym of begin. A. End. B. Start. C. Stop. Choose the correct sentence. A. He do his work. B. He does his work. C. He did his work. These The opposite of hope is A. Wish. B. Despair. C. Wait. He was punished dash cheating. A for, B of, C at. I haven't seen her dash Monday. A since. B for. C by. She is confident dash. Her answer. A to be on, C about. Synonym of funny is A. Sad. B. Humorous. C. Loud. Spill the beans means A. Waste food. B. Reveal a secret. C. Cook something. Choose the correct spelling. A. Embarrass. B. Embarrass. C. Embarrass. Choose the correct sentence. A. The news are good. B. The news is good. C. The news were good. The opposite of permanent is A. Stable. B. Temporary. C. Regular. We are proud. Dash our country. A in. B. At. C. Of. She told me that she dash busy. A. Is. B. Was. C. Synonym of quick is A. Fast. B. Slow. C. Heavy. He congratulated me, dash, my success. A. On. B. For. C. About. A blessing in disguise means A. A bad thing. B. A hidden curse. C. A good thing that seemed bad. I dash him since 2018. A. Knew. B. Know. C. Have known. She asked if I dash the movie. A. Saw. B. Had seen. C. Seen. Antonym of polite. A. Rude. B. Kind. C. Honest. Choose the correct sentence. A. I can sings well. B. I can sing well. C. I can sang well. They arrived dash the airport on time. A. At. B. In. C. To. Kill two birds with one stone means A. Hurt animals. B. Waste time. C. Achieve two goals at once. Antonym of friend. A. Enemy. B. Neighbor. C. Stranger. I am good dash painting. A on. B. At sea. With. She dash me yesterday. A. Calls. B. Called. C. Call. Hit the nail on the head means A. To hurt someone. B. Say exactly right. C. Fix something. Synonym of weak. A. Fragile. B. Strong. C. Fit. Choose the correct sentence. A. He don't work hard. B. He doesn't works hard. C. He doesn't work hard. She is proud dash her achievements. A on, B with, C of. The dog, along with the puppies, dash sleeping. A are, B is, C were. I dash already eaten. A have, B has, C had. The antonym of love is A. Hate, B. Like, C. Respect. Cost an arm and a leg means A. Be painful. B. Be very expensive. C. Be useless.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.